presently here at the Maforombi community, a town in the Magama Chiefdom, Wokupu to be specific, and Cambia district. For the first time in the history of Cambia district and the northern part of Sierra Leone, an academy is to be installed. The football academy, according to the founder of this all-important academy, Fode Camara, who is based in Kansas City, had implored on everybody to jointly put hands on deck to see how best this particular project will achieve its goal of liberating and also training young boys to become better footballers, better players for the rest of the world and the country generically. The first building block will be laid today at this site. Presently, a lot of individuals from different parts of the country are all gathered here at the academy site to witness this all-important session of the administrative building block laying. 6,000 bricks have been laid so far, and construction will commence henceforth today, as the academy sites also comprise of 6 standard fields that have been demarcated already, comprising of a standard football field of 150 centimeters long, and as well as having 2 6-a-side fields comprising also of a volleyball field and that of a mini field that has to have recreational facility like a beach field. It is very much impressive here at the Maforombi community, seeing different individuals from every part of the country, especially people in this part of the country, Wokupu to be specific, Cambia districts, are all gathered here. A lot of pressmen from various medium houses are all here to carry the news home. Colleagues from Makeni, Freetown, Lunge are all gathered here to take the various news home. The home radio stations are all gathered here. Radio Kalisa's presence is felt here. That of Northern Times newspaper for Makeni are all gathered here at this all-important ceremony to see how best the construction will be covered amicably. A lot of dignitaries are all gathered here. Sportsmen are all set to take the news home. As you can see from this all-important session, it's all going on to be a very much interesting and a very more fascinating construction so far that is to be done at this all-important place. This is just the sketch of the layout so far, as very soon the bricks will be laid for the commencement of this construction, which will favor the building of the administrative block and other recreational facilities in this building that will help out to see how best the continuity of the development of this academy will reign. The Mobali Football Academy is welcoming every other football philanthropist that is ready to see how best they could put their hands on deck to develop this all-important football academy. This is a long-term dream that has been born from the idea of Fode Camara. Over a year ago, he started this project and is making headways. People are really appreciating this venture. A lot of committed folks from each and every part of the country are all gathered here to see how best they witness this session. Watch the next video, as AI Wilson channel will definitely bring you the update from this part of the country so far on the development of this academy. You can read more on our blogging spot page, aiwilsonsports.simplesite.com, and read more about the Mobali Football Academy. Join again in the next video. Watch the next video about the Mobali Football Academy as we move on with the proceedings.